Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove friend or block them from Snapchat. Select their name, select manage friendship, and then either select remove friend or block. Just press on either one, and that's how you can either remove friend or block them. Again, I'll just show it to you one more time. Select their name, like press it for a few seconds. Select manage friendship and either select block or remove friend. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye.